we're doing breakaway saves, we want to make sure we're warmed up. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to warm up and activate the hands and feet. So it's a little coordination, a little bit of a hand-eye coordination drill as well. So I'm going to toss that ball on the left-hand side with with a tennis ball, or it could be from the feet and he blocks it, okay? So it's hands, feet. Okay, maybe he gets a little stretch in there, stretch it out. There you go, I love it, okay? So what he's working on is making sure when he reduces an angle and a field player takes a shot, that he's protecting that whole angle, all right, that he's blocking. So the decision that we're gonna work into is, do you win it or do we block it? So working on hand-eye coordination, activating those feet, whatever she wants. She's the server, good. Maybe it's a little stretch in there, love it. Get the hand involved, yeah, here we go, oh, yeah. Nice higher one, yeah, good. Other side. Good. And rest, good job. We're gonna warm up diving, but still within that blocking theme. So what we wanna do is down the middle, it's a harder shot, to the right. So Tommy's nice and efficient, his hands are in front, a little wider than his body so he can block, but it's down here in that middle, feet are active. Or if we kick the ball over to the right-hand side, now it's again, he's wider than shoulder width, takes a step, drives his head and hands through that ball nice and forward. So we're starting to warm up. Is it a hard shot right at him and it's gonna blast and just get whatever he can behind it? Or is it a place shot to the right? So we're gonna break it up so that he's not guessing, and it's a warm up here, all right? So we're helping him with a technique on one side, and then we'll move into something that's a little bit more difficult. Ready? Here we go, just a couple. So a little harder, break down the middle. Yes, I love that. Warm up, diving on the outside. Nice blocking shot down the middle. Oh, I love it. Because again, he's worried about the whole goal. So he doesn't want to cheat mentally. Good, that was not a great distribution, okay? Love it, let's do one more to the right. Good, if you could catch it, catch it. That means that service wasn't good enough. Good. Way to be active, protecting that whole goal. Again, simple warm up. Both sides are ready. Yep, you see, he can't cheat, okay? That happens. So he's staying mentally tuned in, physically ready, okay? Yes, I like it, good stretch. Good. Okay, we're just gonna advance it a little bit because we're working on breakaways and the decision whether to block or win that ball. So on a smother save or on a before save, the goalkeeper can come out and clean up the garbage before the field player has a chance to get to it. Still the same thing, still blocking, only to one side. But if I want to just put a ball, a 50-50 ball in the middle, then she's got to come off her line and attack it. Ready? Here we go. So good, 4 each side, 5 each side, whatever feels good. So it's a block. Yep, love it. Touches in, come on, get there. Yes, love it. So again, just warming up decision making, warming up the body to hit the ground. Oh, I love that. Okay, maybe this one she's got to dive for, good. So she wants to react, so she's warming up the decision making. Is it fasten out or a block? Good. Is it a shot? Is it a through ball? Pressure, get there. Okay, that was perfect. Now we'll do the other side. We always want to warm up both sides. We're just showing you good examples from both sides. Are you ready?